Hey foodies! Welcome back to another exciting culinary adventure. Ever thought about turning pests into plates? It might sound strange, but it's a growing trend. Today, I'm diving into the delicious world of cooking invasive species. These are the uninvited guests in our ecosystems, but they can be transformed into gourmet delights. Yep, you heard that right. We're turning ecological problems into culinary solutions. These ecological troublemakers are showing up on dinner plates, and it's a tasty way to help our environment. By eating them, we can help control their populations and reduce their impact. First up, let's tackle the Asian carp. This fish has been a major problem in U.S. waterways, but it also offers a delicious opportunity. These fish have invaded U.S. waterways, but their firm white flesh is perfect for a variety of dishes. From fillets to fish cakes, the possibilities are endless. Ever tried flying carp wings? They're a unique twist on a classic favorite. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and oh so satisfying. Perfect for a game day snack or a fancy appetizer. Next, we have the lionfish. This beautiful but venomous fish is causing chaos in the Atlantic and Caribbean. This venomous beauty is causing chaos in the Atlantic and Caribbean, but chefs are turning it into a culinary delight. Handling it requires care, but the results are worth it. Imagine grilled lionfish fillets or even lionfish sushi rolls. Intrigued? The taste is mild and versatile, making it perfect for various recipes. Moving on to the nutria, a large rodent wreaking havoc in Louisiana wetlands. This might be the most surprising ingredient on our list. Chefs here are transforming nutria into gourmet dishes. It's lean, flavorful, and surprisingly versatile. Think of it as the new rabbit lean, flavorful, and perfect for a stew or roast. Nutria can be braised, roasted, or even turned into sausages. And let's not forget about the Asian shore crabs. These small but mighty invaders are making waves in coastal areas. Chef Bun Lai at Mia's Sushi in Connecticut makes them into a crunchy snack. They're a sustainable and tasty option. It's like having a seafood cracker that's good for the environment. Perfect for a light snack or a party appetizer. But why should we eat invasive species? The answer lies in their impact on our ecosystems. It's simple. By incorporating them into our diets, we're helping to reduce their populations. This helps protect native species and restore balance. These species disrupt ecosystems, outcompete native species, and cause billions in damage. By eating them, we can mitigate some of these effects. Eating them is a win-win for our taste buds and our planet. It's a delicious way to make a positive impact. Creative dishes don't stop there. The culinary world is full of innovative ways to use these ingredients. How about spicy snakehead fish curries or crispy fried cane toad legs? These dishes are not only unique but also packed with flavor. The possibilities are endless and delicious. From appetizers to main courses, there's no limit to what you can create. Ultimately, it's about protecting our ecosystems. Every dish made with invasive species is a step towards a healthier environment. Invasive species threaten biodiversity and the health of our environment. By eating them, we're taking an active role in restoring balance and giving native species a fighting chance. By eating them, we're taking an active role in restoring balance and giving native species a fighting chance. It's a delicious way to contribute to conservation efforts. So, next time you're at the market or dining out, consider trying an invasive species dish. It's an adventure for your palate and a boon for the planet. It's a tasty way to make a positive impact. Plus, you'll have a great story to tell at your next dinner party. Remember, if we can't beat them, let's eat them. Thanks for watching. Let's turn these pests into plates together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more foodie adventures. See you next time. Stay curious and keep cooking.